Now when you're trying to add an end screen at the moment, this seems to be happening around about March, April 2020, to a YouTube video. You try and add an end screen and you click save and you get this message here: there was a problem processing your video. As a result, your recent edits were not saved. Well, how do you get around this? Well, it seems to be a bug in YouTube's system, so I just clicked dismiss just to get rid of that. And this box just here, the video, the best for viewer or most recent upload or specific video, just move it just slightly. Just so move your mouse over it, hold down the left mouse button and just move it, and then click save. And you'll notice now it will actually save. So there you go. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.